Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to unleash your creativity, crush it in gaming, and get things done like a pro? Well, buckle up because I've got an amazing review for you today all about the incredible HP OMEN MAX PC. This powerhouse of a machine has been professionally upgraded and tested by PCONLINE US, and trust me, it shows. Not only does it come with a 3-year warranty on its upgraded RAM and SSD, but also the original manufacturer's warranty on all other components. That's what I call peace of mind. Now, let's dive into the specs that make this beast tick. First up, we've got the incredible DDR5 RAM, up to 128 gigabytes of it. That means you can have multiple applications and browser tabs open at the same time without any lag or slowdowns. Imagine being able to watch a video while working on a document or chatting with friends online. It's seamless. But that's not all. We've also got an enormous 4 terabytes PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This means super fast boot times, lightning-fast data transfer, and overall, this PC is built for speed. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or working on graphics, this drive will make everything feel silky smooth. Now, let's talk processors and graphics, the heart of any gaming PC. The HP OMEN MAX comes equipped with a beastly AMD Ryzen 9 9900X 3D processor, which packs 12 cores, 24 threads, and 128 megabytes L3 cache. That's more than enough power to tackle even the most demanding tasks, like 3D rendering or professional graphic design software like Adobe Creative Cloud. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes with a GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, which is essentially the creme de la creme of graphics cards. With 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory and insane performance capabilities, you can game at 8K resolutions, create stunning visuals, or simply enjoy smooth gameplay without any hiccups. But what about ports and connectivity? Don't worry, this PC has got you covered. We've got 4 USB Type-A ports with a speedy 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, 3 USB Type-C ports with a blistering 10 gigabits per second signaling rate, 4 more USB Type-A ports for good measure, an RJ45 port for wired internet, an HDMI port for connecting to your TV or monitor, and even 3 DisplayPort options. Now, let's talk about cooling, the silent assassin of PC components. The HP OMEN MAX features a second-generation cryo chamber that pushes thermal performance to new heights. This thing is like a heat-sucking vacuum, keeping CPUs up to 7.5 degrees Celsius cooler under full load. That means you can run your games or applications at full tilt without worrying about overheating or throttling. And finally, let's talk operating system, the brain behind this operation. The HP OMEN MAX comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, which is a great choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly interface and robust security features. Plus, it includes pre-configured layouts to optimize productivity, making it easy to get work done in no time. So there you have it. The HP OMEN MAX PC is an absolute powerhouse that's sure to satisfy even the most demanding tech enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable PC for everyday use, this machine has got you covered. And if you want to get your hands on one, be sure to check the link below for the best price.